The best homemade coffee bean gelato uses the coffee we roast and use every day, so there are no surprises in how the coffee bean gelato should taste. And adding a layer of maple walnut makes this layered gelato pop deliciously fun to eat with just the right amount of caffeine too. To make the coffee bean layer, coarsely grind 30 grams of freshly roasted coffee beans or place them in a bag and coarsely crush them. A rolling pin works, so does the bottom of a heavy-duty mason jar. 1 egg yolk is all that is needed to slightly thicken 200 grams of milk and 75 grams of high-fat cream. Coffee bean gelato is a flavor that can benefit by the earthy caramelized taste of an organic turbinado-style cane sugar, so add about 40 grams or adjust the amount of sweetness to how you enjoy your morning coffee. And add these ingredients to a Ziploc-style food saver bag. Freshly roasted coffee beans offer a different flavor as well as the roasting level. Some beans that are darkly roasted for an espresso blend will need lots of sugar to overpower the bitterness, so a light to medium roast works best for steeping the beans to extract their natural flavor into the custard. To make the maple walnut layer, mix 1 egg yolk, 200 grams of whole milk, 75 grams of high-fat cream, 50 grams of grade A maple syrup, and 60 grams of walnuts that have been toasted and chopped, and add these ingredients to another Ziploc-style freezer bag. Toasting the walnuts for 5 minutes helps the nuts release their oil into the custard as the walnuts steep. Cook the custards for an hour at 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit. The main benefit to cooking a custard in heat-circulated water or sous vide is to allow for exact temperature control to kill any bacteria that may be present in the raw egg, but not to the point of overcooking it. After the custard is cooked, allow it to cool before straining it and storing it in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. To make a layered gelato pop, pour one flavor into the mold until half filled and freeze until hard. I use little food-safe plastic clamps to hold the sticks in the center of the mold, and once they come out of the freezer, you need to work quickly to add the next layer and put back into the freezer without disturbing the bottom layers. The gelato pops should be easy to unmold after they are dipped into a glass filled with hot tap water for 2 or 3 seconds.